everyone. In today's video, we are going to be continuing the lesson that started on page 136 called Counting Money with Dollars. You have already completed pages 136 to 137, so please turn to page 138 in your Jump Math book and we will get started. You can work along right with me. How about that? Okay, so everybody, we are going to be looking at page 138 and it looks like this. Now you did a activity like this previously where you had to circle groups of coins to find the least number of coins or bills that you can use. All right, you're finding the same total but just with fewer coins. Let's take a look at the example that they gave us. We had 2 loonies, 4 quarters, 2 dimes, and a nickel. Now that's quite a few coins. You might pull something like that out of your pocket and have a variety of coins. However, we can make this same amount using fewer coins. And how do we do that? We group coins to make either a coin total or a dollar total or a bill total. All right. So for example, 2 loonies can be circled because that creates $2. 4 quarters can be grouped together because that makes $1. 2 dimes and a nickel can be grouped together because that makes 25 cents. But let me ask you this. Could I group 2 loonies and 4 quarters together to make one big group? No, I cannot, because there's no such thing as a $3 coin. And that's a lot of the trouble that you guys were having in the previous lesson when we did something like this, is that you were making up coins like a 50-cent coin and a $4 coin and a $3 coin. There's no such thing as a $3 coin or a $4 coin. So you have to make sure that when you circle and create groups, that what you're creating is an actual dollar or coin amount. Okay, either a nickel, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, $1, $2, or $5. Those are your only choices. Now I'm not going to do these ones with you because I want you to apply what you learn from this lesson. So I'm going to take a few coins and lay them out on my screen. Okay, and we're going to group them. Let's have a few of these and here. Okay, let's say I just pulled this out of my pocket. I have 2 loonies, 2 quarters, a nickel, and 2 dimes. I want to find the same total but with fewer number of coins, the least number of coins possible, in fact. Now when I look at 2 loonies, what is it that I can make with 2 loonies? Can I make a toonie? So I'm going to circle those and write $2 underneath. Now, can I circle these 2 quarters together to group them? No, I cannot. We don't have in regular use a 50-cent coin. There is a 50-cent coin that you can get that is special, but for our purposes today, we're not going to talk about 50-cent coins. All right? So you don't want to group the 2 quarters together. That doesn't work. How about 2 dimes and a nickel? Can those be grouped together to make something? Let's find out. 10, 20, 25. That equals 25 cents. So I can definitely group these 3 coins together to make 1 coin. So I could do a toonie, 2 quarters, and actually another quarter, so that'd be 3 quarters in total, would give me the same total as what I have here. All right, let's take a look at some different groupings of coins. Okay, how about if we have, and I'm just going to pull some over, what if I have 2 toonies and a loonie, and I have 4 quarters in my grouping, and I have, let's say, a couple nickels. All right, can I group any of these together to make something? What do you think? What do you see? Do you see that you can make something out of these ones? 2 toonies and a loonie. What would that equal if I were to group them together? What do you think? Does that equal $5? It does. So I can group 2 toonies and a loonie together to make $5. I've got 4 quarters. Can these be grouped together? Let's find out. What does 4 quarters equal? 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 cents. What does 100 cents equal? Did you say $1? Then you're correct. And I'm running out of space in my video for this, but I'm going to put these here then. How about 2 nickels? Can I group 2 nickels together to make something? If you said yes, then you were correct, because 2 nickels makes 10 cents. So here's the thing, everybody. 2 toonies and a loonie, 4 quarters and 2 nickels has the same total as 1 $5 bill, 1 loonie, and 1 dime, because I can group them together to get the least number of coins. All right, let's try another one so I know that you got it. You know me, I like to do lots of examples. Okay, people, how about if I have a few of these, some dimes, and a couple nickels, okay? Can I group any coins here to make a total, to make a fewer number of coins? What do you see that can be grouped together? Call it out loud, even though I can't hear you. Did you say that you could group a couple loonies together? If you group 2 loonies together, what do you get? Did you say a toonie? Because you were right. What else can I group together? Can I group 2 of these together? 2 nickels equals what? Did you say 10 cents? You are correct. Now, I have 5 dimes. A 50-cent piece is not a regular coin that we use, so those are special coins. It's not something you go to the store and pay with. Can I group any of these dimes together? No, I can't, because that's 50 cents. If I group 2 of them, that's 20 cents. Do we have a 20-cent coin? No. If I group 3 of them together, that's 30 cents. Do we have a 30-cent coin? No, we don't. Do we have a 40-cent coin? No, we don't. Do we have a 50-cent coin? No, we don't. So in this one, I'm just going to group together 2 loonies to make a toonie and 2 nickels to make a dime. And these ones will have to stay as they are, okay? Keeping in mind, I don't have to circle everything, right? I'll just circle what I can to make the least number of coins, okay? Do you get what I'm getting at here now, okay? If I have a variety of coins here, just kind of grabbing things from the side. Okay, what can I group here? Can you see any groupings that are possible to make the least number of coins but the same total? Again, could I group 2 loonies together? Yes, I can. What do I get? $2. What else can I group together? What do you see? Can I group 2 dimes and a nickel together? What does that equal? Did you say 25 cents? Because you were correct. What about 2 dimes? Can I group those together? 10, 20. That's 20 cents. Do I have a 20-cent coin? No, we don't have a 20-cent coin that we use, so I'm not going to circle those, okay? All right, so everybody, that's how you're going to do question number 7. You have 3 questions to do. Please do the bonus as well for that one. You are simply grouping coins together to make another coin. Do not group things together and make a pretend coin, like a $3 or $4 coin. We don't use those. And 50-cent coins, even though they are in existence, they aren't something we go shopping with, okay? So don't do those either. All right, in the second question, which will be question number 8, there's going to be 2 things you'll have to do. Number 1 is to estimate a total in dollars. Okay, so we're going to have it in dollars only. And you're also going to be finding the exact total in dollars and cents. Okay, so it'll look like this. And we haven't gotten to using decimals yet, so it's going to look like this, okay? All right, everybody, now what if I'm just going to put some coins out, and you give me an estimate for the number, the closest dollar, okay? All right, everybody, here's my grouping of coins. Okay, I don't want an exact number yet. I'm not doing this one. I'm just doing my estimate. An estimate is a rough calculation. When you look at something and you figure the best guess, okay? I have these coins. What do you think is my closest dollar amount with these coins? So I'm looking at it and I'm looking at $3. I have about $4. I'm going to estimate that I have about $4. Okay, that's my estimate. I haven't totally calculated it yet. That's my rough calculation, just by kind of looking at the coins. Now I'm going to find my exact total. So I'm going to count 2, 3. I have $3. And how many cents do I have? 25, 50. I'm going to go to my highest coin, 75, 85. So my estimate is my total is $3.85. That's the exact, okay? So for question number 8, you are going to be given a series of coins, and you will have to first do an estimate, and then you'll have to do your exact total. Let's look at another estimate and an exact total. I'm just going to grab some more coins here, just randomly. I'm just pulling them off the side. Okay, what if I have about this much? Okay, give me an estimate for what we have. Just a quick look. What do you think we have in the closest dollar? Okay, we're doing it in the closest dollar. Okay, did you estimate about $5? Let's write that. I estimate that we have about $5. That is my rough calculation. Now let's do our exact total. I'm going to start with my highest coin first. 2, 3, 4. I have $4. 25, 50, 75 cents. So my exact number is $4.75. So in question number 8, you have 2 jobs. Estimate to the closest dollar by looking at the coins. That's your rough calculation. You don't have to give me an exact total, okay? You'll see that $5 is just above $4.75. It's an estimate. It doesn't have to be the exact number. If I wrote $10 here, though, would that be a very good estimate? That's way too high, and clearly I don't have $10 here, so that would not be a good estimate. So you want to make an estimate that is close to what the total is, okay? Once you find your estimate, I want you to find your total by calculating the number of dollars first and the number of cents second, and write down that exact number. So that'll be question number 8. Now for question number 9, you are doing a word problem. Please try to put the calculation in your book. We can read it together. It says Anna has 3 quarters, 2 loonies, 1 toonie, and a $5 bill. She wants to buy lunch for her mom. It costs $12. How much more money does she need? This is a multiple step question. First, you have to find out what? You have to find out exactly how much she has. If you want to draw that here, draw circles for your quarters and your loonies and toonie and a rectangle for your $5 bill, add it up, okay? Find out how much she has. She needs $12 to buy lunch. How much more money does she have? Because it uses the word more, that tells me that this calculation is not going to equal $12. It's going to be too low. Your job is to find the difference. What will she need? Okay? So find the difference between what she has and how much it costs. And that'll tell you how much more money she needs. So please write that down here, or if you want to write it on a separate piece of paper, you can go right ahead and then just post it to Seesaw as well. Okay, everybody, that's today's lesson. Group coins together to make one coin or dollar bill. Okay, it can be bills as well, or dollars. So that's those questions. And these questions, you're giving me a rough estimate first, a rough calculation first, and then you're giving me the exact dollars and cents. And then for number 9, remember it's a 2-part question. All right, everybody, that's due today. Post it to Seesaw. Have a great day.